What's up, YouTube? It's me, Jackie. Thank you for 70 subscribers. I can't believe this video right there got over 4.5k views. I'm so cool that it hit. So today we are playing Mexican train with me, Jackie, and my sister Lila G and our nanny. But she doesn't want to be in the camera, so let's get into the game. So, who goes first?
So you have the double nine, I'm going.
Okay. Then now Lila G. That's it. My turn.
Nope.
This one. Okay.
So what's the object of the game?
And then I have a 3.
I'll just get rid of all your dominoes so you don't get stuck with any points. We're on double nines.
Yes, I have a 3.
Yes, you do.
Stay tuned to the end to see who wins today. Oh, that's a double.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can play. You still have your turn. Or was that your turn?
That was my turn to go see you.
Oh, that was your turn.
And also subscribe to all the games, I think that's it.
4. You gotta play a 4.
Do not have a 4.
No 4?
Don't do it.
I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start a public train. We're gonna call it the Blue Express.
The Blue Express?
It's got a 9, an 8 on it. 8.
Ooh.
Did Lila go?
Yeah.
Okay. Lila G's turn. You got a 4 or a 3. 4 or a 3. Done? 5 or 5, Lila.
G.
Lila G. Yeah. Right. 4 or 5.
I got a 5. Where do I put it? Sweet.
My turn?
Yeah, no. Now it's your turn. Now it's my turn.
Do you need to draw? Yes.
Ooh. My turn?
Next.
Uh,
4 and an 8. 4 and an 8. That's what you got. Or
So
start a
do
new
that?
train. No, that's 7.
oh, wait, that?
Mm-hmm. Go. Oh, wait. or 4?
2 or a 4? 2.
That's a double. You got another 2 to go with it?
I don't.
Okay, sure.
So you want to?
No.
Alright. Red Orient, open for business.
There's a new one open for business. Oh, a blank.
Blank. Now it's a 3. 2, 3, or 4. That's
Was
what
it
you got.
allergy? 2, 3, or 4?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. 4. Do I turn you on and on? My turn?
Yes, allergy. Wait, no. Wait. Your turn. Now it's Jack's turn.
Alright, Lala. G. Lala. G. Come on, alright. Trying to run the clock out.
There. There.
Now it's my turn.
3, 8, or 7.
My turn?
Third turn anywhere? No. I think my brain's not that smart. Wait. I think my brain was not that
My
smart.
turn? Yeah. No.
8, 3, 5. Or a 9. Start a new train.
It's a fun game. YouTube.
It's a dominoes game.
Yeah. AK, my buddy Liker, when that listen everyone, if I see that another bad comment on my channel, it will make me sad.
7, 8, 3.
Can I do that?
Uh-huh.
What are you doing?
Your turn. Go, Jax, dude.
Hey.
You can't upload this big of a video, just letting you know. Go.
Me?
Allergy.
Okay.
3, 8, 9, 5.
Or 5. I'm gonna put 5. Okay.
Good.
And then it's my turn?
Yes, good.
Okay, now.
This is terrible.
Allergy's turn. Now it's my turn?
Mm-hmm.
How do I always have the most?
I don't know. Do you cheat or something? Because you might win. Now it's Allergy's turn.
I think I need to draw. I think. Yes, I do. Sadly. Can I play a 4 anywhere?
No.
Yikes.
That's the 9. You start a new train.
I just started a new train.
My turn?
No.
No, it's mine. I'm just looking. There's nowhere for me to play. Nowhere to play.
And please watch this any of my videos. Please comment on my video of me lip syncing beautiful things.
Go.
My turn? Wait, is it my turn?
Yes.
I fixed yours.
All right. Lila.
Huh?
It's your turn, it's your turn,
G.
it's your turn, Lila G, it's your turn, G girl, G.
Okay. Whoa. Wait, neat. Start a new train.
What is it?
This is gonna be the purple railroad. Yeah.
My turn?
Y'all.
What the
You
world?
lucky.
I'm looking at what they do.
Pretty much it.
I have those left. 2 left.
1.
Do I turn one in on when I kiss you, baby?
Biology.
Do I have love?
Need domino?
Your turn.
My turn?
Yeah, a 4, a 5.
2 goes right here.
Now it's my turn?
Mm-hmm.
Could this go anywhere?
Yeah, start a whole new train.
It'll be the Green Railroad.
Yes, it. Wait, oh. Yes, it will.
My turn?
No, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
What are you doing?
So glad I got rid of that.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Mm.
Oh no. Okay, one more.
Let's see, what is that?
What is up? What is up?
What in the world? Let's see who wins.
Not me
The
this
game's
time.
almost over. If I can take this one,
My turn?
of course it is. Did I ever put that source?
Yep.
Wait,
Green train.
who won? Let's check.
That ain't where it goes.
Right there. Let's see who won.
Oh, I got a bunch. So I got 10, a 15, 25,
I have 19.
31. I got 31.
We got a winner.
I got 19.
See you won. And make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. See you on the next video. Peace out, YouTube.
Mexican train. That's